Welcome back to Classy Bonsai. I have a little juniper here and a pot that was made by one of the St. Louis Bonsai Society members, and I'm excited to put a plant in it. So I'm gonna stick this little juniper that I have in this pot, and I know bonsai is about patience, but I see people in Japan growing junipers for bonsai in small pots their whole life, and I'm going to try it with this one because I really like this pot and I really like this juniper. So I'm going to stick them together and I'm going to slow grow them and I'm going to see how it goes. Let's check it out. So this is the pot. Nate is a member and he made it out of this clay that he dug up here locally in Missouri. It's a native clay, it's wild clay pot, it's pretty cool. And this is a wild juniper that I've been working on. It's got a crazy trunk in there. Double trunk, twisted up crazy. I was gonna put it in my octopus pot because it kind of looks like an octopus. I still think maybe I should put it in my octopus pot, but I think it's going this one. Might just talk myself out of it. So just like that, I changed my mind. I think that will look good in my octopus pot. So this is a native shortleaf pine that I dug up. I'm gonna grow it in this pot. I figured native clay, native tree, that's even better, right? It's a cool little tree. I can change the planting angle, get it out of this thing, and really get into some decent soil. Let's get after it. Okay, we're going to start by getting this thing out of here. Maybe I'll take some of this moss off the top and try and reuse it when I put it in the pot. Sometimes I like to do that, if I can, because moss is good for holding the moisture. I hear it sounds like a UPS truck. I might have an order from Left Coast Bonsai coming today, which would be neat. This thing started growing some pretty good roots. I just flung dirt right in my mouth. That was not yummy. I'm not going to bare root it. I'm just trying to get some of this. There's like actual still mud from when I dug it up in here. I like to get it off the top at least. Let this nabarg start growing better. Might get rid of this one funky root right here. Got a root growing there too. That's, I don't know. Those funky roots might be the way to go. But yeah, you definitely don't want to bare root pines here in Missouri. My experience with bare rooting these shortleafs is they will die. So if you're dealing with shortleaf pines, let them have roots. Let them cook, as my kids would say. But yeah, I don't know that I need these top roots. Yeah, I don't think I needed those. Although, yeah, I've created myself a nice little reverse taper by letting it stay there that long. Alright, I'm not going to take any more than that off. Yep, that'll fit in there nicely. I'm going to grow it up like that. I think. Yeah. this root coming right across the top here. Oh, alright. Losing too much soil now. Let me get some good soil to put in here. Some wire in this pot. So we have soil and some wire in there. You get the angle. I want to be the front, which is not that side. Most likely right there. A little more of the soil under here. That Michael Rise. Michael Riser. Who's he? I am goofy sometimes. I don't recommend cutting wire with your scissors, especially if you like them. Those are my root scissors. I don't worry too much about my root scissors. Or this root sticking straight up. I hate that noise. Oh, I always do that. More like that. So let's try and pry it up a little, shove some soil under it. The roots are going to be hard to keep alive up here. They may die. But it is what it is. I'll probably sprinkle some sphagnum. Underneath. In the long run, I would like to tilt it up more like that. I should have done it there. But it is what it is today. It's in there, and that's where it's going to be. Alright, that's a little shortleaf pine in a native made pot here by a club member in Greater St. Louis Bonsai Society, Nate. Thanks, Nate, for the pot. It's an awesome pot. I love it. So you get some wild clay from Missouri, and you got a wild tree from Missouri, a shortleaf pine. I'm excited to watch this thing grow. Hope you come back and you keep watching it grow too. Go ahead and subscribe if you want to see the updates on this tree and you want to keep watching me do crazy stuff out here in this greenhouse. Thanks for watching.